Mama Vidyalaya, my school. Here is a short essay type dialogues between students about Mama Vidyalaya, my school. So let's dive inside and see what all things are there in my school. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभं कुर्मः। Here are two friends, Rajivah, Anilah. Both Rajiv and Anil are having this dialogue. One will be asking questions, other will be answering about what all things are there in the school. Rajivah says, Pashya Anil, Eshah mama Vidyalayah. Mama Vidyalayah Sundarah asti. Anil says, Satyam, Vidyalayah Vishalah api asti. So Rajiv says, Pashya, see. So whenever we are saying Sambodhan, vocative, the name is Anilah. In Sanskrit, we say with Visarga, all boys' name with Visarga. But to call them, उनको बुलाने के लिए we will just drop the visarg and say ho Anil, not Anilah. So say Anil, this is my school. Mama Vidyalayah Sundarah asti. My school is so beautiful. And he agrees. He says Satyam, true. And Vidyalaya Vishalaha api. Api means also. Yes, indeed your school is beautiful, but it is also huge. So बहुत बड़ी विद्यालय है जहां राजीव पढ़ता है. राजीव says, अहम प्रतिदिनम विद्यालयम आगच्छामि. अहम आगच्छामि. I come to school daily. अनिलः says, विद्यालयस्य आरम्भः कदा भवति? Kada is a question for when. कब? Where is the starting time of your school? When does it start? Is it the morning school or the noon shift? What is the exact time the school starts? Rajiv says, Mama Vidyalayasya Arambah Ekadasha Vadane Bhavati. The starting of my school is at 11 o'clock. तो 11 बजे इनका school start होता है. And what do they do at the starting? आरंभे अहम प्रार्थना खंडम गच्छामि. तत्र अहम प्रार्थनाम करोमि. First, I go to the Prarthana Khanda, meaning the assembly hall, prayer assembly hall. Tatra is there. Atra, here. Tatra, there. Tatra aham prarthanam karomi. There I am doing प्रार्थना, prayer. अब वो स्कूल दिखाने आया ही है, तो आगे पूछता है, भवतः वर्गखंडः कुत्र अस्ति? Where is your classroom? He says, Mama Vargakhandaha Prarthana Khandasya Samipe Eva Asti. Eva is only. Samipe Eva. My classroom is very near to the assembly hall itself. Anil says, Bhavataha Varga Shikshakaha Kaha Asti. Now, in spite of the fact that it's a class teacher, is a madam and not a sir, but when we don't know, we will always ask in Pullinga, masculine gender. So he asked, Varga Shikshakaha Kaha. Who is your class teacher? Bhavataha is your. आपका class teacher का नाम क्या है? कौन है? So he says, Harsha Mahodaya. Mahodaya is the word to use for respect, to say ma'am or madam. We will not say, Harsha ma'am is my class teacher. Okay, so मैम की जगह पे महोदया. वैसे महोदया का मीनिंग आपको पता है? It is coming from two words, महा उदय. जिसका अपब्रिंगिंग, जिसका नेचर, जिसकी लाइफ हमेशा प्रगति को प्राप्त करती हो, वैसे महान उदय जिसका हो वैसा. महोदयः for sir, महोदया for ma'am. Similarly, Varga Shikshakaha for a male class teacher, Varga Shikshika for a female class teacher. Harsha Mahodaya Mama Varga Shikshika Asti. Sa Samskritam Pathayati. Harsha ma'am is my class teacher and she teaches us which subject? Sanskritam. Okay? So one who teaches Sanskrit can also be a class teacher. It's not just the subject teacher. Let's focus on the word pathayati. To teach is pathayati. To learn is pathati. Pathati, pathayati. Just like chalati, to walk, chalayati, to drive, chalana, yanam chalayati, vimanam chalayati. But here, not pathati, pathayati. Harsha ma'am, Harsha Mahodaya teaches Sanskritam. Astu, let's come to the library section and he introduces Anil to Pustakalayah. He asked, Bhavatah Vidyalaye Pustakalayah Asti va? Now I have highlighted both Asti va. Instead of Kim, Kutra, to question, we will say Asti for is there, Asti va, hai kya? आपके स्कूल में विद्यालय में पुस्तकालय है क्या? So for है क्या, the va is inserted. Otherwise अस्ति का मीनिंग है और वा का मीनिंग होता है or अथवा. So here, is there a library in your school? She says yes. बहुत लकी होते हैं जिनके स्कूल में बहुत विशाल लाइब्रेरी होती है और इतने बुक्स पढ़ने का अवसर मिलता है. अहम पुस्तकालये पुस्तकम पठामि. Yes, I read my book in my library. मम विद्यालये विशालं क्रीडांगणम् अपि अस्ति. And do you know there is a big playground in my school. विराम समये अहम तत्र खेलामि. Khelami can also be replaced with kridami. Both khelami and kridami will mean the same. Virama samaye, during the break time. During the break time, in the recess time, I play there. Tatra. And he says, oh wow. Bhavatah vidyalaye ramaniyam udyanam api asti. There's a beautiful ramaniyam, beautiful garden in your school. So how lucky they are, see? So Rajiv says, na kevalam udyanam. Udyane aushad bhagah api asti. Not only there is a garden there, but also aushadha bhagah, meaning where there are medicinal properties plants. So it may be called a herb garden or a botanical garden. Then Anil says, Bhavatah ropitah vrukshah api asti va? उसने पहले कभी बताया होगा that I had planted a tree there. So he is asking, the tree which was ropitah, planted by you, is it there here? He agrees. He says, yes. Pashya eshaha vrukshaha maya ropitah asti. See, that tree is planted by me. So Anil replies, Uttamam tarhi bhavan griham kada gacchati. He says, good that, the tree is still growing in front of you. So that's good. And then he asks, arrival time is asked, when do you go to your home? Tarhi, then, bhavan griham kada gacchati. When do you go to your own house? Rajiv says, aham sayam panchavadane griham gacchami. Since this is a noon shift, I guess, because he is coming at 11 o'clock in the morning and leaves at 5 o'clock in the evening. Sayam, evening, panchavadane, 5 o'clock, griham gacchami. I go to my house. Anil says, Bhavatah vidyalayah nanu sundarah asti. Nanu is the word for kharekhar, suchmuch. Indeed, your school is so beautiful. So this was the whole school tour given by Rajiv to his friend Anil. Now let's start the Abhyasa Karyam exercise. Pronounce the following words correctly. This, a very important word, because इसका उच्चारण 99% लोग करते हैं विद्यालय. विद्यालय. Do you see the sound of ध, धनुष का ध? नहीं, हमें उस तरह से उच्चारण नहीं करना है. Your द should be soft, अल्प प्राण. विद्यालयः, not vidya but vidya. विद्यालयः. विद्यालयः, school. प्रतिदिनम, प्रतिदिनम, डेली। आगच्छामि, आगच्छामि, to come, I am coming। आरंभः, भ इज अ महाप्राण, तो जब आप बोलोगे थोड़ा सा वहां पे फ्लो होगा। आरंभः, आरंभः मीनिंग स्टार्टिंग। प्रार्थना खंडः, प्रार्थना खंडः असेंबली हॉल। वर्ग खंडः, वर्ग खंडः क्लासरूम। क्रीडांगणम, ये ड है, ये है अंग। क्रीडांगणम मीनिंग वेयर आई डू माई प्ले, प्लेग्राउंड। यहाँ पे दो वर्ड्स है, यू कैन डिवाइड इनटू क्रीडा एंड अंगनम। जैसे हिंदी में आंगन फॉर वेरेंडा, उसी प्रकार से क्रीडा क्षेत्रम इज कॉल्ड क्रीडांगणम, खेलने का आंगन, मीनिंग अ प्लेग्राउंड। उद्यानम, अगेन जो विद्यालय में द, वैसे ही यहाँ पे द, नॉट ध्य। उद्यानम गार्डन। उत्तमम, दिस वर्ड यू कैन यूज टू से गुड, वेरी गुड टू योर फ्रेंड्स। उत्तमम। यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे सेंटेंस दिए हैं which are incorrect. You have to correct these sentence on the basis of the lesson. Okay, अपने मन से नहीं, based on the lesson we will be correcting it. There are a few possibilities. I will show you both the possibilities. Select any one and write. Okay. अनिलस्य विद्यालयः सुंदरम अस्ति. So as I see, विद्यालयः is a masculine word. So instead of sundaram, we will be writing sundarah. Both are masculine word. Sundarah, Vidyalayah. And there is one more mistake. This is based on grammar, but this is a fact that the school is not of Anil, it is of Rajiv. So instead of Anilasya, I will be writing Rajivasya. So two mistake. Rajivasya Vidyalayah Sundarah Asti. Write both. Vidyalaye Kridanganah Asti. In the school there is Kridanganah. Yes, the fact is true, but grammatically Kridanganah is not a masculine word. It is a napusakling word. So here you write like this, Kridanganam, ending in ma, not visarga. Rajivah pustakalaye kridati. Does he play in the library? So again, two possibilities. If you have to replace kridati, you write pathati. Pustakalaye pathati. Or you write Rajivah kridangane and keep the last word same. Kridati. So up to you. Pustakalaye pathati or क्रीडांगणे क्रीडति। क्रीडांगणे राजीवः पठति। I will replace this. I will say na. क्रीडति। क्रीडांगणे राजीवः क्रीडति। पुस्तकालये पठति. So here I will keep पठति and here क्रीडति। राजीवः 9 वादने विद्यालयं गच्छति. What time does he go? Not 9, but एकादश वादने. Keep both in the same word. At 11 o'clock, he goes to the school. Translate the following sentence into Sanskrit. This is my school. So first we will say my school. My school is Eshah. Vidyalayah. Is asti, that is optional. And my means mama. In Sanskrit, there is no fixed pattern on how to write the word. It can be Eshah Mama Vidyalayah or Mama Vidyalayah Eshah. So this is my school. Eshah Mama Vidyalayah. Optionally, for asti, you can also add asti. It is optional. Without asti also, इट डजंट मैटर, कम से कम शब्दों में हम संस्कृत में बता सकते हैं मम नाम नम्रता और मम नाम नम्रता अस्ति. So you see, without asti it is completely fine. My school is fine. Okay, again fine word. My school is fine. Actually this is not the correct translation to say sundaram, but as per your textbook, mama vidyalayah sundarah. Again, asti is optional. Without it, it is completely fine in Sanskrit. Now, sundar actually means beautiful. To say fine, the word is not in your chapter. But if you want to say fine, you can say samyak. Mama swasthyam samyak. Mama vidyalayah samyak. Samyak is the word. But if you want to go as per textbook, sundarah. The school begins at 11 a.m. So specifically for a.m. I will be writing pratah. The school means only one word, vidyalayah. a.m. I will write first, pratah ekadasha vadane. Begins, आरभते और आरंभम भवति. So two option, एकादश वादने आरभते और एकादश वादने आरंभम भवति. Whichever is simpler for you to remember, you can use that. There is a library in the school, pustakalayah. Now in the school together will sound like you write vidyalaya first and just put a. Vidyalaye will mean in the school. What is there? Library. Vidyalaye, pustakalayah, again optional, asti. I play on the ground during the break. So during the break, I will take it first. Break is viram for kale. You can say virama kale or virama samaye. I, aham. Play is kridami. So at the last I will put kridami. And where I am playing? On the ground. So first you write for the word for ground, kridangana, and then by putting a on top of it, it will mean on the ground. Kridangane, kridami. Now according to grammar, if you already have kridami at the last, your aham becomes optional. So no need to write aham. If you write also no problem. And if you are skipping this, kridami will of course mean aham kridami. There is no other possibility for the subject. Viramakale kridangane kridami. Viramakale aham kridangane kridami. Next is a very simple multiple choice question. दो ऑप्शन से सो आपको सही लग रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फैक्ट वो आप लिखेंगे. राजीवः डैश वादने गृहं गच्छति. सो गच्छति, व्हेन इज ही गोइंग to griham, not vidyalayam. Many of you write ekadasha vadane. But 11 o'clock in the morning he is going to the school, not to his own house. So griham gacchati pancha. So pancha is a correct option. Pancha vadane griham gacchati. At 5 o'clock he leaves for the home. Mama vidyalayah sundarah asti or lagu asti. So it is definitely not lagu, it is in fact vishalah. So this is the option correct. Sundarah asti is beautiful. Aham pratidinam kutra gacchami. Where do I go daily? Vimanayanam, to the flight, aeroplane, or vidyalayam. We don't know about Vimanayanam. But yes, definitely we go to our school daily. Rajivah kutra pustakam pathati. Where does he read the book? Playground में हो सकता है कभी कभी, but क्रीडांगने खेलति, पुस्तकालये पठति. So Pustakalaye. By the way, alay word means home. So house of the books, जहाँ books रहते हैं. Pustakalaye is in the library. Pustakam pathati. He reads the book. Antimaha prashnaha. A chitra has been given where Mandiram is at the center and there are a few things around it. Here the directions are there. Uttara in the north, Dakshina in the south, Purva in the east and Paschima towards the west. Things which I can see here is, this is Mukhya Dwaram of the Mandir, Udyanam, Kridanganam, Nadi, Parvataha, Vrikshaha, etc. So when it is asked, Mandirasya uttare kim asti, what is there in the north side of the Mandiram? So yes, Parvataha, Vrikshaha is there. But the most important element I can see is Nadi asti. Because this is asti, singular. If it was santi, I would have written Parvataha santi. But is Nadi asti. So towards the north. Paschime kim asti. Paschim is your west. So towards the west there is a Kridanganam. हमने अभी इस चैप्टर में प्लेग्राउंड का वर्ड सीखा है. Don't forget this dot. Mandirasya purve, towards the east. What is there towards the east? Udyanam. This word also we have learned just now in the chapter. Udyanam. Those who don't know how to write there, you can write this word or line and then this. Dakshine is which direction? South. Towards the south there is a dwaram, or I can say the main Mukhya Dwaram. Mukhya Dwaram asti. So this was all about Mama Vidyalayah in Sanskritam. Hope your Vidyalaya also has a Kridanganam, Pustakalayah, Udyanam, Aushadbhagah ityadi. Astu, Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha. Do some Paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.